Unveiled as a showpiece at Modern Day Marine 2025 in Washington, D.C., the Advanced Reconnaissance Vehicle, ARV, from General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS, marks a critical leap in the evolution of Marine Corps battlefield intelligence and mobility. Envisioned as a pivotal force multiplier in modern warfare, the ARV blends artificial intelligence, unmanned systems integration, and modular digital architecture to reshape how Marines gather and utilize combat data. At its core, the ARV is engineered to function as a digital command post on wheels, connecting ground units with a layered ecosystem of drones, sensors, and robotic platforms. Whether deployed in rugged land terrain or amphibious zones, it offers unmatched operational versatility. Marines using the ARV will be able to tap into a multi-domain web of intelligence that spans land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace, essentially making the vehicle a mobile control hub for real-time battlefield awareness and tactical coordination. This vehicle's technological backbone is a next-gen electronics suite designed with AI readiness and robotic command capabilities in mind. It's built around a modular open system that makes future tech upgrades quick and cost-efficient, ensuring the platform evolves alongside defense innovation. With integrated software for predictive maintenance and immersive training, the ARV also supports logistics and personnel development, minimizing downtime while boosting combat readiness. A new variant of the ARV, armed with a 30mm cannon, is on track for delivery in 2025. This firepower-enhanced version will complement the C4/UAS model already undergoing tests and will likely offer new options for offensive reconnaissance missions. While specific details on armor systems remain undisclosed, it's clear the vehicle's defense features will be adaptable based on mission needs. Though not yet fielded, the ARV is undergoing rigorous trials in Michigan, including assessments at the Keweenaw Research Center and the U.S. Army's Ground Vehicle Systems Center. These evaluations focus on mobility, sustainment, and integrated simulation capabilities. Light Armored Reconnaissance, LAR, battalions are actively involved in the testing process, providing hands-on insights to refine the design ahead of expected production starting in 2028. Beyond the ARV itself, GDLS showcased additional cutting-edge tools at the 2025 Expo. One key highlight was the Vitals Suite, an AI-driven maintenance platform that enables commanders to forecast and manage vehicle upkeep proactively. Already deployed in part with Army Stryker units, Vitals aims to boost fleet efficiency and reduce logistical strain through 5 interconnected modules. The company also introduced its upgraded digital training system, which brings virtual instruction to the fingertips of operators and mechanics via tablets, laptops, and mobile devices. This system replicates tactical scenarios using a digital twin of the ARV, allowing for remote, self-paced training without the need for physical access to the vehicle. In the realm of communications, GDLS is working with Blue Wireless to implement high-speed, mmWave-based networks capable of secure and stealthy data transmission in hostile environments. These systems are crucial for maintaining operational coherence across dispersed units during dynamic engagements. Collectively, these innovations underscore GDLS's alignment with the Marine Corps' modernization blueprint. The ARV is more than a reconnaissance vehicle, it's a cornerstone of a digitally connected, agile force structure built for future conflicts. As multi-domain threats continue to grow, systems like the ARV will play an indispensable role in securing tactical dominance.